folks, caught the song. We don't have the weight yet, actually, so we're fixing to do that. It's probably 2.5 pounds. We'll get a weight on him. Hand me the scale, Daddy.
It's already ready. Just hook
Oh,
it.
it is. £2 1 ounce, folks. So you can see on the scale right there. Beautiful, healthy fish. Exploded on it while I was talking to cameraman right there, my dad. Got him exploded right over there. Show them. Right over there and there. So, anyway,
Yeah, good fish. Shining back my way flat, sideways. Yeah, there you go.
Good old fish.
Beautiful.
Exploded on it. Top water. On brand new pack of worms, too. I ain't going to show you the worms. They're the same ones.
Yeah. Crawtail.
They're this.
Crawtail.
Crawtail.
Pearl white.
Z-tail.
Or Z-crawtail. Yeah, we're going to get it right here sometime.
Anyway, beautiful.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
Like, comment, and subscribe, folks. Appreciate it.